Did you know a silent horn could spell trouble? Let's get it honking again. Alright folks, let's dive in. If your Ford F150 horn isn't working, don't worry. It's usually something simple. First up, check the fuse. Open the fuse box and find the horn fuse. It's usually labeled. If it's blown, replace it, and you're good to go. Next, let's look at the horn relay. This tiny part can wear out over time. Swap in a new one and see if that does the trick. Still no sound? Check the horn itself. Over time, it can rust or get damaged. A quick visual inspection can tell you if it's the culprit. If it looks bad, replace it. Another common issue is the horn button. If it's not making contact, your horn won't work. You might need to remove the steering wheel cover to check it out. If the button's broken, a replacement is in order. Lastly, let's talk wiring. Over time, wires can corrode or come loose. Trace the wires from the horn to the fuse box. Look for any breaks or corrosion and fix as needed. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect the battery before working on electrical components. And there you have it. With these tips, your Ford F150 horn should be back in action. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy car tips.